Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use Asana advanced features. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by managing multiple projects or coordinating with your team, this video is perfect for you. Asana is a powerful project management tool designed to streamline your workflow, enhance your team's collaboration, and ensure tasks are completed efficiently. Mastering its advanced features can truly transform how your team works together, allowing you to unlock the platform's full potential. Let's dive right into the details. To get started, head over to the Asana website. If you're already a user, log in to access your dashboard. For those who are new to this platform, just click on Get Started or Try for Free to set up your account. Once you're logged in and ready to go, we're going to explore some of the advanced features that can significantly elevate your project management skills. A fantastic feature to begin with is custom fields. These fields are essential as they allow you to tailor tasks with additional data points unique to your projects, such as priority level, status, or any other key metrics that matter to your team. To make the most of custom fields, navigate to your project and click on Customize in the top right corner. From this menu, select Add Field. Here, you'll have the flexibility to choose a field type, whether it's a drop-down menu, text box, or number. Assigning specific values to each task enables you to track important information with precision, offering everyone on your team a crystal clear view of the project's progress. Next on our exploration list are task dependencies, a critical tool for managing tasks efficiently. Task dependencies help you see how different tasks are connected, which is crucial for avoiding delays and making sure tasks are completed in the right sequence. To set this up, open the Task Details view and click on Add Dependency. Select the task that must be finished before your current task can proceed. You'll see an arrow linking these tasks, providing a visual representation in the timeline view. This feature is incredibly handy for planning your projects and keeping everything on track. Speaking of planning, milestones are another invaluable feature. Milestones allow you to track and celebrate significant achievements within your project, keeping your team motivated. To add a milestone, click on the plus button within your project to create a new task and label it as a milestone. Use the timeline view to see these milestones in the broader scope of your project plan, making it easier to stay focused and meet your objectives. One of Asana's most time-saving features is automation, which allows you to set up rules that automate tasks and actions within your projects. To set up automation, go back to the Customize button and explore the Automation section. From here, you'll be able to set up custom rules that run automatically whenever certain conditions are met, saving you valuable time and reducing manual work. That's just the beginning. With these advanced features and more, you'll be able to tackle projects with confidence and ease. Thanks for joining this tutorial. Now go ahead, explore these features, and take your project management skills to the next level. Menu and click on Add Rule. You can either choose from preset rules or create your own. For example, you might want a task to automatically move to a different section or update another task when marked complete. This level of automation keeps your projects running smoothly without the need for constant manual adjustments. Finally, let's touch on advanced search and reporting, a feature that greatly enhances your ability to find and analyze tasks based on various criteria. To use this feature, click the search bar at the top of your screen and select Advanced Search. You can then filter by due dates, assignees, project tags, or other custom fields. Once you've tailored your search to fit your needs, save it as a report for easy access next time. This feature is a game changer for keeping track of your project's details and performance metrics. And that wraps up our tutorial on navigating Asana's advanced features. By incorporating these powerful tools into your workflow, you'll transform the way your team operates, ensuring projects are managed more effectively and efficiently than ever before. Happy organizing! Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to use Asana advanced features. If you want more videos like how to use Asana advanced features, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.